Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about whether or not Linktree is free. In order to do so, here we are at linktr.ee. That's linktr.ee. And to answer the question whether or not Linktree is free, well, it is relatively free. For the core functions of Linktree, they are in fact free. And for what it does, it is very robust in its options. So with Linktree, you can come here, and if you see where it says sign up free up at the top right hand corner, you can go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you can sign up with your email, or you can sign up with Google or with Apple. Once you're all logged in, you should be met with a screen similar to this. And from here, you can add whichever links you want to your link tree, and it's going to bring all of these various links into a single place where you can then send a link to anyone you wish, and anyone who clicks on that link will be brought to your content, a single one stop shop where people can engage with your content, and it is a very convenient way of having people find you. Now, there is a paid version right here. It says try pro now. At the moment, there is a sale, but this is for a limited time only. But with the pro features, you can get a bigger, bolder, more immersive profile image, advanced audience insights like conversion tracking to help you grow and monetize, and automating links to appear or hide on your link tree for timed promotions. So, if you are interested in the pro version, there are some additional features that might be of interest to you. In addition to that, I know that there are additional things like themes, and there's a few other bells and whistles in there that are only accessible through the pro version. But as far as the core functions of Linktree, a one-stop shop where you can bring all your links into a single place so that people can engage with your content in a much more convenient way. That is completely free. And for what it offers, it is really quite a deal. So if you are not sure about signing up with Linktree, I would definitely recommend it. And again, you can find that at linktr.ee. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.